Welcome to Bennett Fishing, folks. I'm Josh. Today we're going to go over how to install Eskimo's new e-hub system. So they have a few new products. I got 4 out of the, I think 5 of them. They have one more tray thing. So they have this camera mount, which has the 1/4-20, which I'm going to use a lot because I've always had a hard time like getting another camera angle in the Eskimo 450 XD. So we have that. We have a rattle reel, which I plan on using for burbot, and this mounts to the inside of the hub on the inside, so it mounts to the inside of this. And so what we're gonna need is a 10mm ratchet set and a 10mm open-ended wrench to install these, and we're gonna go through that right now. So how to install these things. We have the phone holder and we have a rod holder. So we're gonna install the phone holder first. So the top of this comes kind of wire tight on. You're just gonna unsnap that real quick, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside on how to install this. So you are gonna need a socket set to install it. You can't use just 2 open ends. I've already tried, and they're both 10mm. So we have our nut right here, a nylock nut. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen that. And if your hub spins on the outside, that's what the open-ended wrench is for. You're gonna loosen that, put the new hub right on there. Get that finger tight. Don't cross thread it either. And if you need to, open your window and you can grab the nut from the outside and spin it. And you want to tighten this thing pretty tight. So just grab a hold of that stem, tighten it just like that. And the new system just snaps right on there like that. And now you have a phone holder in here. Just like that. And what I was holding on to on the outside was this piece. And if this starts to spin, you can just grab that with an open-ended wrench right there. So that's how you install the new Eskimo E-mount system. I'm excited to hang a camera from the ceiling and have it vertical, especially when I'm sight fishing. So if you want to get a pair of these, I'll leave the link for all of these down below. Thanks for watching.